Here are 3 tips for emotional exhaustion. First of all, if that's happening to you, all my love and a great big hug, because it's tough, especially when things are happening around you that may make you feel a little bit small or a little bit tired or a little bit like, man, this is not the way things are supposed to be. I got you. So the techniques that I'm going to introduce you today are from the school of Kundalini Yoga and are really great somatic therapeutic ways to help your nervous system come through and to give you a little bit more of an advantage of self-regulation. So my name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and let's dive right in. Here is the first one. Join me now and draw a square with your fingers. So 4 equal sides, and just keep that going for a few seconds. What I'd like you to do now is you have a choice of 2 visualizations. Number 1 is to visualize yourself inside this safe container. That's right. Put yourself inside this box and feel as though you have a container around you that is keeping you safe, that is keeping you protected, and that you can always go to when things start to get a little out of control. The second visualization is to visualize the things that might be troubling you, causing distress, causing harm, and putting those people, relationships, ideas, conflicts inside this box. And while they're inside this box, even just for a few moments, they can't come and find you. Okay, so you have a little bit of safety right now. Now let's seal this box with some breathing techniques. So we're going to inhale through the nose for 4, hold the breath for 4, and then through the mouth, exhale for 4, and then hold the breath out for 4. This is called square breath. Ready? We'll do 3 rounds. Inhale through the nose, inhale 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, through the mouth, exhale, and then hold the breath out, 2, 3, 4. 2 more times. Inhale, hold, exhale mouth, and then hold the breath out. Here's the last one. Exhale mouth, hold the breath out. Good. So you get the hang of it. You can use this anytime. It's very simple, straightforward, very effective way to manage emotional exhaustion by containerizing and also using your breath as a form of somatic therapy. That's number 1. Number 2 is to start a little bit of tapping around the center of your chest. So right here is the sternum, the center plate of your ribs. And there's a point right here, just in the middle of your chest, where you want to take your 2 fingers and start tapping. So join me now and start tapping on that area. It needs to be firm and it needs to be fairly quick. And this is a way of stimulating the thymus gland. The thymus gland is sitting right in the center of your chest, and you can just tell just by your intuition that it's sitting between your heart space and your lung space. And so in Chinese medicine, these 2 areas represent the center of love and the center of sadness. And so happiness and sadness sitting side by side. This little gland regulating some of the hormones that fuel our emotional self. And so often what happens is that when we get emotionally exhausted, keep tapping, we end up being depleted. And oftentimes, not only are we unable to give to others, we're definitely unable to give to ourselves. And so here, as you tap this thymus gland, just like this, you have an opportunity and a possibility of opening up the heart space. And that, my friends, that's where peace comes from, is being in your heart space, finding ways to feel safe, and doing a little technique just like this to help you wake up that heart center. So just about a minute. What we spent already right now is perfect. Just a little bit of tapping. This can be done when you're in the shower, when you're driving, when you're on the phone, when you're just staring off into space. just waking it up from the center of your body. Beautiful. Here's number 3. And if you've been following along with my channel, by the way, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and I've been here on YouTube for a good chunk of time sharing the benefits of Kundalini Yoga. If you've been around for a while, you've probably heard me talk about the meditation or the mantra Sa Ta Na Ma. This mantra means universe, life, death, rebirth. And so what it does is conjures up a shift. It means that every beginning has an ending and every ending has a beginning. And it allows us neurologically to tap in using sound vibrations to that opening and that welcoming, and also to that closing and to that surrendering. So I really love this mantra. I use it a number of different ways. When I'm out for my daily walk, I use that mantra as I'm walking. Sa, ta, na, ma. Right, left, right, left. And it doesn't matter which foot you do that on, by the way, but really creating a rhythm inside of your mind and a rhythm with your body is what you want to be going for. You can do this while you're doing the dishes. You can do this while you're folding laundry. It can be out loud. It can be silent. But this mantra really has the possibility and the potentiality of creating change by using those particular sound vibrations. That's the sacred language of Gurmukhi, and that is the foundational script of Kundalini Yoga. So as you chant that mantra, remember to do it with a sense of reverence. These are holy words. These are inspirational words and will take you very, very far. I hope that was helpful for you. If you're looking for more resources, check the links below in the description box, and there you will find information about numerology, yoga therapy, as well as Kundalini Yoga teacher training. Until next time, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. Take care and bye for now.